Hello! Welcome to another weekly video for our YouTube channel, Ali and Jacob of Just Send It Travel. We are so stoked that you're here. If you are loving what we're putting out every week, then hit the little subscribe button here somewhere. We would appreciate it so much, and we love sharing our value and our tips and tricks. And when we're back traveling again, we will be sharing all of our adventures as well. So we're so stoked that you're here. This week, I am going to be talking about 4 really simple things you can do to give your business a bit of a spring clean, a bit of a zhuzh, and just have it updated and ready to go so that when your customers or potential clients jump onto your website or your social media, that they're getting the relevant information, the best and most vibrant updated version of you. Okay, so number 1, my first tip is update your website and your social media profiles. So I know it's so easy to have this website just sitting there, and once it's created, you just leave it alone and never look at it again. Totally guilty. But every 6 months or quarterly, I try and update our website. So whether that's updating like life updates or our About Me page, or swapping in some like current photos. And that's a really good way to make sure that you're being really relevant, and when potential customers or clients jump on your website, they're seeing the most updated version of you. It's also really good to update your profile pictures and also your bio in your social media, like your Instagram or your business Facebook page. Also updating hours. If you have a business that runs in certain times, that's really good to update as well, because it's really important to make sure that your customers or potential clients are getting the right information. It's such a simple, easy thing to do. You only need to spend a little bit of time on this, but it can make a huge difference and really make your website and your social media more vibrant and relevant and just fresh and great. So second tip is clean out your inbox. So there's a practice called Inbox Zero. Some people do this daily. I find it a little hard to do daily, so I usually do this weekly. So Inbox Zero is basically where you go through all of your emails and file them away, and only leave the emails that are really important in your inbox sitting there. So when you're opening your inbox every day, or by the end of the day, there should be nothing sitting there. And this is just a really good way to have a really good system of like filing everything away as it should. Getting rid of all of those subscription emails that you get, marketing emails, so that like when you're opening your email, your inbox is either completely empty or really small, or the emails that are of importance are sitting there in front of you and you're seeing them. So that's a really good tip, and it just like calms a bit of chaos as well. So, okay, tip number 3 is give your workspace or your office a really good tidy up and clean and declutter. So there's lots of research to show that our environment has an impact on our productivity, our energy. And so by giving your workspace or your office a really good clean, tidy up and declutter will really have an effect on how productive you are and how you feel in the space that you're working in. So remembering that your business is an extension of you. So if you are not creating those environments where you're feeling really good about yourself, really productive, and not distracting yourself with clutter, then that's going to flow into your business. So having a really good tidy up. Also, maybe changing things up is a really good idea as well. Maybe moving your desk, or, rearranging the furniture in your workspace can have a bit of a change of environment as well, which is also really helpful. Another really good tip is to add some natural elements into your environment as well. So possibly adding a diffuser with some essential oils to just make it feel calm and relaxed, or fresh and bright. Adding in some plants is also really helpful. Maybe a Himalayan salt lamp. Some natural elements can really help you as like an energetic and spiritual being by having those natural elements. And as I said, if we're in a space where we feel productive and calm, that's going to have a big flow on how productive and calm we are in our business. Okay, and my fourth tip is not so much to do with cleaning, but when you're taking the time quarterly or 6 monthly to do these sorts of things to just upgrade your business, it's really good to check in with your business goals. So every business has a big vision or a big mission, and it's really important just to check in with those goals that you created when you first started your business. One, because it takes you back to why you started this business in the first place and gets you reconnected with your mission and purpose. But also too, it helps if you are reminded of those things and see if they need a little tweaking. Maybe you set something up. Maybe you achieved a goal and you didn't really take the time to celebrate it. So you need to set another goal for yourself to up-level yourself. And this will empower you to really be productive and strive and remember why you're here, why you created this business, how you want to impact and how you want to serve. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this quick little video. So I hope these have been really helpful. Like I said, we love and appreciate you so much. Click subscribe if you want to find out more of our tips about our lifestyle business. And when we're back on the road, we'll be traveling again and sharing all of that. So I'll see you next week. Bye.